Here's what nobody tells you about creating video ads. You need a product demo, a UGC testimonial, an unboxing video, tutorial content, a TV commercial. That's 5 different shoots, 5 different creators, 5 different budgets. And if you want your brand ambassador's face consistent across all of them, you're looking at $30,000 and 3 weeks minimum. Because here's the brutal truth. Agencies charge per format. Creators charge per video. Studios charge per day. And nobody can guarantee your spokesperson looks the same across different shoots, different lighting, different angles. Until now. Because Higgsfield just built something that changes everything. They built the world's first end-to-end AI ad production workflow. 1 product link. 9 ad formats, 1 consistent face across every single video. Welcome to Higgsfield Marketing Studio powered by Seedance 2.0. This isn't another AI video tool that makes random clips. This is a complete ad production pipeline that takes you from product URL to publish-ready campaign in 1 session. No agencies, no creators, no weeks of back and forth. I'm Manu, and I'm about to show you how Marketing Studio is making ad production accessible to brands that couldn't afford it before. The complete workflow, the 9 formats, how face consistency actually works at scale, and why this is the biggest shift in ad creation we've seen. Because here's what Higgsfield understood that nobody else did. Most AI video tools ask you to describe what you want. Write a prompt, hope for the best. Marketing Studio flips that completely. You don't describe your ad, you provide your product. The system handles creative direction, 1 product input, 9 ad formats, 1 face locked across every video, same person demonstrating in UGC, same person presenting the tutorial, same person starring in the TV commercial. 0 drift, perfect consistency. This is what makes AI brand ambassadors actually work at scale. Let me show you exactly how this works. You start with your product. 2 options. Paste a product URL from your store, Amazon, anywhere, or upload product images directly. That's it. No brief, no shot list, no creative deck. Marketing Studio reads the product page, understands what it is, extracts key features, identifies selling points, builds the creative foundation automatically. Next, your face, the avatar. This is what appears in every video. Upload your own face and Seedance 2.0 locks it in, or use one of 40+ ready-made avatars from the library, or generate a completely custom character using Soul 2.0. Just describe the look you want, and it creates your brand ambassador from text. Here's what's powerful. Once you select or create that face, it becomes your consistent presenter across all 9 formats. Marketing Studio maintains that exact likeness through every scene, every angle, every lighting condition. This is production-grade face consistency. Now you choose your format. Marketing Studio offers 9 distinct ad styles. UGC, authentic creator content native to TikTok and Reels. iPhone aesthetic. Casual energy. Real person talking to camera. The format that drives conversion because it doesn't feel like an ad. Tutorial. Step-by-step product walkthrough. Educational. Your avatar demonstrates features. Explains as they go. Perfect for YouTube, landing pages, onboarding. Unboxing. First impression reveal. Your avatar receives the product, opens it, reacts authentically. Builds anticipation and social proof. Hypermotion. High energy, fast cut visual style. Dynamic movement, pure CGI with product as hero. Super Bowl commercial energy. TV spot. Polished broadcast quality commercial. Cinematic production. Full narrative. The premium format for meta ads. YouTube pre-roll. Professional presence. Wildcard. AI takes unexpected creative angles outside standard formats. Experimental. The format giving. You options you wouldn't have thought to brief. UGC virtual try-on. Your character interacts with the product, tries it on, demonstrates it, shows it in use. Answers, how does this look on a real person? Pro virtual try-on. Premium studio quality version, professional lighting. Clean background. Virtual try-on for luxury brands and premium positioning. 9 formats, 1 product input. And powered by Seedance 2.0, handling everything from iPhone-style UGC to full CGI commercials with production-grade output. And here's what makes this genuinely revolutionary. You can generate all 9 formats in 1 session. Same product, same face. 9 different creative executions, each optimized for its platform and purpose. UGC goes to TikTok for conversion, tutorial to YouTube for education, TV spot runs as meta ads, unboxing creates buzz, product review builds trust, all featuring the same brand ambassador. This is what agencies charge $30,000 to coordinate. Marketing Studio does it in 1 workflow. Let me show you a real example. Paste the Amazon link into Marketing Studio. The system reads the product page, identifies key features. You select your avatar. Marketing Studio creates authentic feeling video, your avatar talking casually. I've been using this charger for a week. Here's why it replaced every other one I own. Natural delivery, phone shot aesthetic, educational, clear, generate TV spot, same face. Now it's cinematic, polished lighting, product shots, your avatar in modern workspace. The charger that adapts to your life. Premium commercial energy, one consistent spokesperson, from one product link, no reshoots, no multiple casting. This scales infinitely. Seasonal campaigns, regional variations, A/B testing, entire ad libraries with perfect brand consistency. Because here's what this actually means for different types of businesses. DTC brands create entire ad libraries in-house. Every product launch gets 9 instant formats. Paid social teams have endless creative to test. Organic calendars stay full. You move at the speed of ideas, not production budgets. Agencies deliver campaigns that used to require full crews. Pitch deck to final deliverables in days, not weeks. You say yes to projects where production costs didn't make sense. Creators building brands produce commercial quality content without commercial budgets. Product reviews look professional, tutorials are polished. Ads compete with brands spending millions. Startups testing product market fit, validate messaging across 9 formats before committing to expensive production. See what resonates. Double down on what works, at costs that make experimentation possible. The gap between agency-produced ads and accessible creation just closed. Marketing Studio is the bridge, and it's live right now. Here's what used to be impossible: consistent brand presence across platforms without massive budgets. A brand ambassador who never drifts, never ages, never becomes unavailable. Testing 9 creative approaches for the cost of 1 traditional video. Marketing Studio makes this standard. What would you launch if ad production wasn't the bottleneck? What campaigns would you test if creative wasn't the constraint? What brand would you build if consistency was guaranteed? Those aren't hypothetical anymore. The workflow exists. The technology is proven. Marketing Studio is live at Higgsfield AI. Paste 1 product URL. Generate 9 ad formats. Build campaigns that used to require agencies and weeks. The future of ad production isn't hiring bigger teams. It's having better tools. And those tools are here. This is Manu, signing off. Now go build a campaign that makes people stop scrolling.